Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ceiling Fan Championship 2016, and it is round 3. I apologise for the massive delay of several weeks. This little fellow hit the fan. Oh, that's right, I can only apologise. I was looking for honey. Ah, so you're not Winnie the Pudsey Bear then? No, I'm Winnie the Pooh. Which is the point of that joke, but I'm going to go now because I know people don't like waiting for the action. Bye! Well, without further delay, let's meet this week's contestants. All the way from a warren in Derbycestershire, a small pink bunny. From a hutch in darkest Manchester, here's small white bunny. From a borough in London town, a white and brown bunny. And all the way from rainy India, a small pink bunny with "I am not a bunny! How many times do I have to tell you?" Okay, I don't think rabbits make that kind of sound. But let's get ready for our rabbit special. It sounds delicious with carrots. This week at the controls we have Sophie again. Take a step forward, Sophie. And what are you wearing for us today?
I'm wearing some sparkly t-shirt.
Sparkly t-shirt. Wow, all them sequins. Very sparkly. A lot of pink motif going on as well, but we need to get on with the action, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. I am not a bunny. Contestant number 1. Oh, wait. Ah, I fell off. Hang on then. Passes contestant number 2. Oh, there we go. And contestant number 1 again.
And don't fall off this time.
Yes, stay up. Okay, we just need to adjust the controls. So we have the light off and the fan on, and let us begin. Oh, it's level. Oh, whoa! What happened there? We lost 3 all at once.
So he won.
And we have a decisive winner there in probably less than 2 seconds. Okay, let's meet our runners-up. White Bunny, what do you think you could have done better? Ah, yes. That would have helped. Small Pink Bunny, how do you think you might have won? Well, I guess when you put it that way, it was a bit of a gracious defeat. And small pink bunny in a blue and yellow spotty dress. I don't know why I signed up for this. And let's meet this week's winner. And what was your winning technique? Well, I'm sure next week's contestants would do very well to copy that strategy. But before we go, let's meet next week's contestants. It's me, Mario! Hello Mario. I hope you're not going to cheat by flying. No, but I will fly up to the fan right now. Whee! And we have Supersonic. Waka 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 waka. Can you do a barrel roll, Supersonic? Waka waka waka. Okay, and all the way from Congo Bongo Island, or wherever it is, we have Donkey Kong. And I'm guessing you want to win the fudge? No, you want to win a large pile of bananas. Okay, well, we'll see you next week. And finally, Diddy Kong.
I'm making the windy bananas all to myself.
Ah, so that's what you sound like.
Well, what did you think I was going to sound like?
Fair enough. Well, we'll see you next week on the Ceiling Fan Championship. Bye! The Ceiling Fan Championship is sponsored by Stranded Aliens Need Technical Assistance. Please help them to raise £3,000 for the Family Fund Trust, a charity which supports families raising disabled and severely ill children in the UK. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your support.